Hey y'all, Lindsey here, back with another episode of Weekly Whimsy. For those of you who are just now tuning in, this is your one-stop shop for the hottest community updates, a look into some exciting projects, and a little slice of tech pie for your day. If you want to know where to find everything that I talk about in this video today, they will all be down in the description box below. Let's get started. As always, starting off with some updates on our vibrant community. Our Discord keeps expanding, now hosting 3,720 members with 4 fresh additions from last week alone. It is a melting pot of knowledge and collaboration. Considering joining us? The door is wide open. Come on in. Our standout tweet this week delves into creating ERC6551 token-bound wallets for NFTs using Pinata, a genius creation by our head of community, Steve. Snaps for Steve, it is so cool. Please go check it out. Are you ready to shine a light on the heart of our Pinata ecosystem? This week, I'm going to be talking about sup ducks. Imagine belonging to an elite club of animated ducks, but with an extra sprinkle of panache, a swanky membership card. Crafted by the renowned Frankie Nines, each sup duck is a masterful blend of artistry and technology, birthed through on-chain traits. 2 years ago, sup ducks reshaped the Web3 world. The rest, as they say, is history. I have such an exciting product release to share with you guys today. We have revamped our Pinata free plan. This enhanced offering is brimming with features designed to empower developers like never before. Bid adieu to the constraints of public IPFS gateways. Embrace our robust gateways and watch your projects flourish through every stage. It's our pledge to back developers at every turn. And ending on our techie note, the wonders of storing JSON on IPFS. As the backbone of both Web3 and conventional apps, understanding JSON's place is crucial. Deep dive into the realms of JSON, its omnipresence in programming, and its special bond with Web3. That's it for this week's Weekly Whimsy. If the content I'm putting out is resonating with you, hit that subscribe button down below and let's connect. Until next week, this is Lindsey signing off. Bye.